One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's go on a little bit nicer tangent here. Some Swifties, Tay. Some fans are some generous tippers.
This is how much Uber has, data power. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you put the lifting together with this? Okay, it's okay.
Whoops,
all right.
I put the wrong thing up. Hold on, where is it?
Yeah, there you go. All right, so Uber has Uber has so much asymmetric information advantage, bro, over the rider and the driver. Look at this. It turns out Taylor Swift fans are generous tippers. No shit. They're in a good mood. They just got rocked for those tickets for the Swifties. Swifties took 353,000 Uber rides on their way to the Eras tour and tipped their drivers 8 times the average. Yes, Swiftie fans. Although I don't like her, but yes. The Eras tour is the highest grossing concert tour of all time. Uber said that more than 353,000. Chris, that's ridiculous. 353,000. How does Uber know that? Uber knows where you live. Uber knows where you're going. Uber knows where they pick you up. Uber knows your underwear color. Uber knows everything. Uber knows more about you than your mother knows about you, man.
So, well, if you order through Uber Eats, absolutely.
Uber Eats, Uber Rideshare, Uber whatever. Uber knows that shit. Uber is good.
Well, I mean, Uber Eats though is still like you can pick up stuff and have it delivered. So yeah, you can absolutely.
Yeah, man. And the Eras tour, so which 149 shows across 21 countries, and obviously Uber is global. And and even look at this info. On more than 3,000 of those rides, Swifties stopped to pick up their friends en route to the concert. See how much information they have, bro? See how much information they have?
Yeah, but that's not that much. I mean, think about it. 353,000 and only 3,000. So that means 350,000. Dude, first of all, I don't know about you, but if I was going to a concert and I was using Uber or Lyft to take me there, dude, I would have everybody over, or we would be in a specific spot pre-gaming our asses off. Just saying.
Yeah, I know. No, actually, as you're right.
3,000 of you riders need to learn better. You shouldn't be picking them up. You should be pre-gaming before the show.
Yeah, and they all got ripped, by the way, coming out of that show. You know that, right? Surge to the moon.
Oh God. They got more than I mean, just to go to the concert in general.
But what I like is there was one that tipped $120 on a single trip. Swifties were also particularly generous tippers, according to Uber's data. The average concert goer tipped 8 times more than a typical Uber passenger. So the number is 10%. So 10% of regular Uber trips get tips on. That's it. That's Uber's numbers, not mine.
Mm-hmm.
So this is 8 times. Wonderful. In one noteworthy instance, a fan traveling to one of Swiss's Miami shows. Hey, Miami drivers. Was it you? $120 tip, $120 tip. Uber did not share specifics on tip averages. Of course not. It didn't immediately respond. So good job, Swifties. You guys tipped 8 times more than the average. Lovely. Thank God. There you go. But Swiftie does have a economic force, though. That shit. Cities love having her in town.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Hey, my suggestion is then I guess if Taylor Swift comes to you in Eras 2, then you might want to go drop them off or pick them up or something, because you might actually get some tips.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to deal with the traffic though. Oof.
William, look at this one. William says they always tip. I was in Detroit driving for their concert out there, made $1,200 that weekend. Boom, there you go.
Wow.
Good job. That's lovely. Yeah, so Swifties, thumbs up. Don't like your boyfriend either, but it's okay.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.